Welcome to Module 2 of our Notebook LM course. By now, we have learned what Notebook LM is and how it works differently from other AI tools. It is time now to actually get started with it. In this video, we will set up Notebook LM in just a couple of minutes and quickly explore its interface, the place where all the magic happens. So let's begin. First step, simply open up any web browser and head over to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with your Google account just like you would while opening Gmail or Google Drive. You are now inside Notebook LM. The first screen you see is your home. This is where all your notebooks will appear once you start creating them. Think of this as your digital library shelf. This page also shows the featured notebooks from around the globe. For now, we will build a notebook from scratch so as to understand it completely right from the basics. To begin working, click on New Notebook. Notebook LM will instantly create a blank space for you. This is your dedicated AI-powered notebook for any topic or project you want. As soon as you land, you will see a pop-up window like this. We will ignore this for now. Now we are inside the new notebook, and this is what it looks like. You will see three main sections here that you will use. First comes sources on the extreme left. This is where you upload your material. Remember how we discussed in the previous module that Notebook LM bases its answers on your given material? This is the section where you provide the material. If you notice, this was the same pop-up that appeared before. Here, you can upload your files in any of the format listed here. In case you wish to source your information from an online source, we have options for Google Drive, website, and YouTube links. And you can simply copy paste your text as well. We will upload a PDF here for demonstration. This PDF is basically a white paper by Uber on its Elevate plan of electric air taxis. As soon as you upload your source, you will see the adjacent section change. It shall now display a summary of the source you've uploaded, something like what we see here. We will come to this in a minute. You can add more sources as and when required. Once done, you can collapse the source panel by clicking here. Notebook LM now studies these sources before answering anything you ask. Which brings us to the next section, where you will be doing all the conversations, the chat section. This panel is like your personal tutor or research assistant. Here, you ask questions, clarify concepts, or get summaries. Much like any other AI tool, you put in your ask in the chat window and Notebook LM will proceed accordingly. The best part, all the answers are based on your uploaded material, so you can be assured of no AI hallucinations here. Let us try asking it a question. Let's say we wish to know the cities where Uber Elevate plan will be implemented. You simply type in the question and hit enter. And Notebook LM gives you a spot-on answer to your query based entirely on your uploaded material. If you notice, it has even mentioned the exact page numbers and quoted the text from where it has got these names. Now that we know how it works, let's move on to the next section, Studio. This is where Notebook LM goes from a regular AI assistant to a magical tool for professional research and learning. The Studio section basically offers you several notebook features to make your learning or research more fun and engaging. As you can see, there is an audio overview feature here for several languages. Then there is video overview, mind map, flashcards, and much more. We shall explore all of these in the modules to come. Let's try using one of these here, mind map. Mind map is meant to visually summarize your uploaded sources, showing main topics and related ideas as a branching diagram, something like what we see here on the screen. You can easily navigate through the various topics here and jump directly to the one you wish to focus on. The bottom section of the Studio keeps a track of all your generated material, notes, mind maps, etc. This way you can quickly revisit these at any time, or create your own notes by simply clicking on Add Note at the bottom. Now that's the full interface of Notebook LM. Clean, simple, and designed to keep you focused. Alright, you're fully set up and you know where everything is. And now it's time to actually use Notebook LM the way it's meant to be used. In the next video, we will create a notebook for a specific purpose. This will help you learn how exactly Notebook LM can help you with any project. So let's jump straight in and build something practical.